In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable Find My iPhone on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the iPhone 12 series and you want to specifically disable or turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, so that when you open the Find My, it will not be visible on the maps. Then you can see I have my iPhone, my Apple Watch, my AirPod Pro, and my iPad. Now, you can just go ahead, disable the Find My to remove your iPhone from the map. And the disadvantage of this is you'll not be able to erase, track, or ring your iPhone once you misplaced it. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing to do when you want to turn off or disable Find My iPhone on iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone settings, click on your iPhone settings name, then wait for this page to load properly. Then scroll down and click on Find My. Once you selected Find My, locate Find My iPhone, tap it, then you should see Find My iPhone turned on. And because Find My iPhone is turned on, that's why you see all connected devices to the same Apple account on the maps. So you can see I have my iPhone, which is the current device I'm using. Then I have my Apple Watch, not far from me. Then my AirPod Pro, not far from me as well. So to turn off this, just tap that to turn off the Find My iPhone on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, to confirm this action, you need to go ahead, type in your Apple ID account password before you can turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then, go ahead, type in the Apple ID password, the password of the Apple ID account you have on your iPhone, and then tap the turn off at top right. Once you tap the turn off, this is going to turn off the Find My iPhone on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. You see turning off Find My iPhone. And once the process is completed, you can just come back. Then if you open Find My on your iPhone 12 Pro Max like this, then hang on, all other devices is going to be disappeared. This is because my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPod Pro are all connected to the same iCloud account. So that's why it is easy for all the devices to be disappeared on this page. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable Find My iPhone on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.